Hello everyone, how's it going? And well, I thought I'd come on and do another video. Before, I showed you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I hope it helped. But today I'll show you how to solve a 4x4. Now there is a difference between a 4x4 and a 3x3. The obvious notwithstanding that you're dealing with a whole other layer. The difference between a 3x3 and a 4x4 is that no matter how you twist a 3x3, the center pieces or your face pieces always remain stationary. They never deviate. So white will always have yellow on the bottom, red will always have orange opposite, and blue will always have green, no matter how you twist it. And so with a 4x4, though, that is not the case. Before you begin to solve it, you have to put together your faces in the correct order as it appears on a 3x3. And then once you've done that, then you have to pair up your edge pieces. So you have to find, if say for instance you have a red and a yellow, you have to find the other red and yellow and pair it. And the same goes for every other piece that you have on there before you can solve it. This video is only going to deal with solving those two steps. I'm not going to solve it in its entirety on just this video. So anyway, I hope it'll be easy enough to follow along. Now, without further ado, I'm going to put together my white face and look around the cube and see where they all are. So I've already got two there that I can put together in just one 90-degree twist, and there, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90. Twist that and bring it up. So I've taken care of my white. Now I want to put my yellow down here, and see I've got two already in place, but then I've got these two that I have to worry about. And so I'm going to move that up so that I can, there, right, okay. So first, in order to, sorry about that, now first I've got to go put that proper arrangement there, and then 1, 2, 3. Now, I've got them both. Now, to put them together, I have to first manipulate the white a little, just so that I don't mess it up. So I bring them together like that, and the white is above. I just have to flip that here, just so that it won't be disturbed, and then there. So now I've got white in place, and I've got yellow on the bottom. So now I can go and take care of my middle face. And I'm going to go with my red. So I need to go see like that, and bring that back, and then down, back, so that even pair. Okay, now, in order for me to that, and I've got my red, white, red, yellow. Now I want on my red, on my right, I need to have blue. I've already got two there, but I need to put them there. So I need to put them in side by side, not like that. So I go down, up, there, and so solved. There, taken. Now I have to take this and put it there. And I'm just going to move that there, move that down, and flip. So now I've got these where they should be. What I have to do now is I just have to bring this green over to here. To do that, I just flip. Okay, just a second. Down. There. And now I've got all my faces done. All my faces, the four pieces, they're where they're supposed to be. White, red, orange, yellow, blue, and green. Now we have to do our edge parities, which is matching up each and every one of these with their twin. And the first one I see right off the bat is, I see red and white. Okay, so I'm going to move that down. So I've got a red and white down there, a red and white there. I have to bring them together. So there. And now I have a junk piece, mismatched pair. So I have them on the side there. So I twist that over, bring that up, and twist it back. Always be sure not to disrupt. So 180 degrees, and you've not disrupted your face. You've not disrupted your faces. So now I've already got, by chance, I already have a green and orange paired, and a yellow and also a yellow and orange. I have to now find another white piece that matches, or blue that matches with my white, or an orange and white, one of the two. Whichever one I see first is the one I'll do. And okay, so I've got my blue and white. So I've got a blue and white up there, a blue and white there. Okay, so I got there, and then I got a junk piece there. So go left. Again, always being sure not to disrupt what you've already set in place. And we have a white and a green, white, green, white, green. Okay. And we just move those over. So now we just bring them up, over, back, over, and there we go. One more we need to take care of, yellow and blue. So I'll move that down there and down there. Okay, one, over, up, back, back. Okay, now we got a yellow and a green here. I'm going to turn the bottom slice 180 degrees so that I can bring it up and match. Okay, I've got to move that up, so we've got a junk piece there. Now, always remember again, see, 180 degrees. You have to switch there, see, and then twist, bring it back, and then twist 180 degrees. And so everything is still moving along swimmingly. Right, and now I've got an orange and a blue. Orange and blue, but I'm running out of junk pieces. But I got one there. Okay, so then I can twist it that way. Bring that back. And good. Okay, now I have my red and my green opposite, so I have to move the bottom 180 degrees. And red, green, that. Now I don't, do I have any, just a sec, I have to, manipulate this just a little bit. Need to find, okay, so there we go. Okay, there we go. So we got our junk piece there. Got red, green, up, over, up, over, back. Right. And so now we have only two left. We have our red and yellow, orange and white. All of our other edge pieces have been taken care of, but we still need to get this. So we have to move it. With this side facing you, you have to go, you move 90 degrees. Okay, so you go 90 degrees U prime, counterclockwise, right up, top slice clockwise, right counterclockwise, face clockwise, right counterclockwise, face counterclockwise, right, and both slices. Now you've taken care of all of your edge pieces. So all of your edge pieces are paired. Your face is all in place. So now it looks just like this, just like a scrambled 3x3. And I'll take care of that on the next video. Thanks for watching.